What if I told you your city could be 200 feet underwater? That's not a movie trailer. That's what happens when the ice melts. Every glacier, every iceberg, every snowflake on Everest, gone. This isn't just a few degrees warmer. This is planetary surgery, radical, irreversible, and deadly. Coastlines redrawn in a single lifetime. Oceans swallowing streets. Weather systems spiraling out of control. And the clock? It's ticking faster than we ever imagined. 216 feet. That's how much sea levels rise when every last chunk of ice is gone. Picture it. New York, drowned. The Statue of Liberty staring blankly across waves at her waist. London broken into islands. Shanghai, Mumbai, Miami. Erased from the map. Entire nations like the Maldives, erased completely. Florida, a modern Atlantis. 500 million people driven from their homes overnight. A refugee crisis larger than anything humanity has ever faced. But it won't stop there. Salt water will creep inland, poisoning farmland and wells. 70% of Earth's fresh water, once locked in ice, suddenly tainted and undrinkable. And yet, this is only the beginning. Chapter 1. The Heat Amplifier. The ice isn't just frozen water. It's Earth's giant white shield, reflecting sunlight back into space. Strip that shield away, and the planet doesn't just heat up, it cooks. We unleash the heat amplifier, a runaway chain reaction. Heat waves no longer break records. They rewrite them. London sweating under 130 degrees Fahrenheit, not once, but regularly. Crops shriveling in the fields. Cities turned into ovens. Superstorms become monthly visitors. Hurricanes strong enough to rip skyscrapers apart. Decades-long droughts that leave entire regions uninhabitable. The Amazon, our planet's lungs, reduced to a dust bowl. Even the ocean's great conveyor belt, the circulation that warms Europe, grinds to a halt. One side of the planet freezes, while the other burns alive. Climate whiplash on steroids. Chapter 2. The unraveling of life. And then comes the collapse of life itself. Polar bears vanish. Penguins, seals, Arctic foxes, gone. Coral reefs bleach into skeletons. Shellfish literally dissolve in acidified seas. But the real gut punch is microscopic. Phytoplankton, tiny ocean plants, invisible to the eye, but responsible for making half the oxygen we breathe. Warmer, acidic waters choke them. And when they go, our air supply follows. Imagine gasping for breath in a world drowning in water. The food chain crumbles. Fisheries collapse. Millions starve. Disease spreads in the chaos. Humanity faces not just flooded cities, but a suffocating planet. Chapter 3. Tipping points and choices. So, is this humanity's endgame? Or do we still have a chance? Right now, Greenland bleeds ice into the sea. Antarctica groans and fractures. Scientists warn of tipping points, irreversible thresholds, that could arrive within decades, not centuries. Mitigation? We're losing that race. Adaptation? No longer optional. Seawalls, floating cities, mass migrations. These are no longer science fiction. They're survival strategies. But knowledge is power. Every fraction of a degree matters. Every renewable project matters. Every vote, every protest, every voice demanding change matters. So imagine that world map again. Without Florida, without Bangladesh, without Shanghai. Remember the storms, the suffocation, the silence. That isn't science fiction, that's physics. The future isn't written, but the ice is melting. And this isn't about saving polar bears. It's about saving your lungs, your home, your children's tomorrow. The ice is melting and the clock is ticking. But the future isn't set in stone. If you want more people to wake up before it's too late, hit subscribe, share this video, and let's spread the truth. Because silence is the most dangerous climate of all.